Can a person really die from holding back a sneeze? Well, first you have to understand why we sneeze. Whenever dust particles or germs enter our nose, a signal is sent to the brain indicating that they need to be expelled. Consequently, the brain uses a sneeze to force these germs out. Now, consider this. When a sneeze occurs, it travels at a speed of approximately 160 kilometers per hour, meaning it generates an immense amount of force and pressure. If you were to suppress a sneeze, this pressure would remain trapped inside your body. This could potentially cause a rupture in your throat, burst your eardrums, cause the blood vessels in your eyes to turn bright red and swell, or even lead to a brain infection, though you probably wouldn't die.